All right, let's settle this once and for all. What does virgin really mean? You might think it's just about never having done that thing, but trust me, there's a lot more to it. From ancient history to modern-day myths, this word has been twisted, misused, and even memed into something way bigger than it actually is. Buckle up. This is going to blow your mind. The real definition. So what does virgin actually mean? The basic definition? Someone who hasn't had sexual experience. But did you know that in ancient times, virgin originally meant something totally different? Cut to an old parchment with the word Virgo. In Latin, virgin comes from Virgo, which meant pure, untouched, or independent. In fact, in Greek mythology, a virgin was someone who wasn't owned by a man, basically an independent person. Imagine that. Back then, virgin wasn't even about sex. Myths and misconceptions. Show common myths on the screen, each crossed out dramatically. Now let's bust some crazy myths about being a virgin. 1. You can tell if someone is a virgin by looking at them. Screen flashes, false in big letters. What? That's like saying you can tell if someone's a good cook just by looking at their face. 2. Once you lose it, you change forever. Cut to dramatic music and zoom in on the host's exaggerated, shocked face. Bruh, it's not like you unlock a new level in a video game. 3. Only women can be virgins. Cut to an ancient philosopher shaking his head. Seriously? The word applies to everyone. Gender doesn't even matter. Pop culture and the virgin trope. Show clips of movies and memes about losing virginity. Pop culture has made virginity seem like a race, a badge of honor, or something to be embarrassed about. Movies love making it a big deal, but guess what? Your worth isn't defined by whether you've done it or not. At the end of the day, virginity is a concept, a social idea, not a scientific fact. So whether you are, aren't, or don't care, it doesn't define you. What really matters? Respect, choices, and how you see yourself, not what anyone else thinks. Cut to a motivational quote. Your value isn't measured by a word, it's measured by you. If you found this video interesting, drop a mind-blown emoji in the comments. And hey, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crazy facts you never knew you needed. See you next time.